Today our friends Terry and Mark from the village of Hawkins invited us to go to Rainbow Springs State Park, which is about an hour car ride outside of the Villages, Florida. Rainbow Springs is a gorgeous freshwater natural spring with the most absolutely crystal clear water we have ever seen. Come along as we jump into the exhilarating, cool spring waters and then make our way to Swampy's Bar and Grill for a little R&R. We'll give you a review of the food, the service, a peek at the menu, and our bill.
Well, you can really see all the way down to the bottom. What was it about? Probably where the swimmers came from.
Do not swim with the alligators. I know you love to.
He's thinking about this.
I see. It says do not swim with them. But how close are they?
Don't feed him with your own body either.
You can stand, and I do. And when you stand, you see how much more things you see. It's incredible.
Because the elevation.
But,
Yeah.
I taught myself this 2 summers ago. I didn't think I could do it. And even if you don't stand, it is so much fun.
Has it got a motor on it?
I know. Yeah, this.
I'm not jumping in. You gotta be kidding me. I can't jump in. Why? You just step. You just step and all of a sudden you're in water. We're gonna jump in with our noodles. Yes, we are, except we won't drown.
Don't lose your top.
We're going in now.
Okay, here we go.
No, you really want to. Yeah. Wait, we gotta get close to the edge. We gotta get close to the edge. Okay, put your feet on the yellow line. You can do this. Look at him. Think of it as a big pool of margarita.
It's gonna be sticky.
Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. How do you get in this spot? Yeah. My hair all wet. Oh, yes. Like this. Okay. Mom. Wait, on 3? Yeah. On 3. 1, 2, and then when I say 3 is when you jump. On 3. I feel like I'm Mel Gibson and Danny Glover in, what was that?
You're just killing time now.
1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh. Oh my God! Isn't it refreshing? It's a little bit chilly.
Okay, I missed that one. Will you do it again?
It's a little chilly, but it's refreshing. Where are you going? What was that movie? Danny Glover and Mel Gibson. Yeah, when the building was burning and they had to jump on the top of the building. And he's like stops and says, wait, on 3?
Oh, that's when they were getting out of the bathtub that had the bomb.
Yeah, they did it there.
Or the toilet. He was on the toilet, wasn't he?
And he says, wait a minute, on 3?
He was going to pull him into the bathtub.
It had a bomb on it and he was going to pull him off. Oh, I remember that. I think try the steps for you.
So there is the stairs.
Are you going in? So it's called what?
Silver Glen Springs.
Okay. We got a brochure from them that shows all the springs in Florida.
Well, if you're going to go to that one. And there are shallow parts and the trees that are growing in. And
Did you tube down it or?
no, just went there. They have picnic tables everywhere. It's they have volleyball court. You can rent kayaks right there, which theirs was cheap. It's only $20.
So the water's 74 degrees, and you can do it one way. You can just jump in with your best friend, or you can slowly go in with the stairs that's on the far end of the deck. And if you're really a wuss, you sit down and get used to the water a little bit before you come in, which works well for people that don't want to jump in.
Okay, go.
That's in Hawaii.
That's in Hawaii.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go further.
And it takes you down by Swampy's, and that's where they pick you up at.
It's a different location that you...
Now, can you bring your own and
bring
get
your
in
own.
here?
Yeah, you just have, if you bring them here, you just have to pay to get into the park. That's it. And you just come down here and
You
watch.
just come right here and you can watch.
Yeah.
Okay. If you bring your own canoe.
Camping only charges just one flat rate, and they send you out, and you just got to come out at the right spot.
That's a whole different operation.
Yeah.
But however far down you go, like he said, two hours to the end of this river, you still have to come back against the current. Take you more hours to get back.
Oh, yeah.
3 or 4.
Calculate that in.
4 5.
So it'd take you probably about, round trip, probably about 6 hours.
Oh my gosh, they would love it. They're Gator fans. In the 1930s, Rainbow Springs became a privately owned theme park. Most freshwater springs tourist attractions around Florida offered some form of glass-bottom boat ride. But at Rainbow Springs, the passengers themselves were seated 5 feet beneath the waterline in an air-conditioned submarine-like boat. Visitors viewed the springs through their own personal portholes. It gave them a breathtaking view of the springs and the wildlife that lived there. The brochure called it America's most unusual boat ride. There were waterfalls, a zoo, a rodeo, gift shops, and even a monorail with leaf-shaped gondolas. The development of the interstate highway system in Florida eventually led to the demise of Rainbow Springs. It passed by the small towns that hosted these types of attractions, but the newer, modern attractions in Orlando drew tourists away from the older parks. Disney World opened in October 1971. By 1974, Rainbow Springs was closed. It reopened as a state park in the 1990s.
You know this is a non-paid position, right? Just ask Christy. She told me the other day, she goes, I want to go on salary.
I don't want to be an expert on anything.
Screaming lemonade. Really good.
Don't start.
They got a bloomin' onion, but I think it blew up in the kitchen. But it looks really good. Christy's going to let us know.
Yeah. For the new segment, Just Ask Christy.
Just ask Christy. Oh, listen to that. That's a good one. Say it now.
The sauce is just right. And the onions are really, really hot.
Really hot?
There's a lot
Okay.
of burn in my mouth, but that's what you want.
Well, just wait and we'll test them.
Look.
So what'd you get? The fish and chips? Look at those fish and chips. You got a burger?
I got the burger
That looks good.
with a pickle.
What did you get? Shrimp.
Shrimp, fried shrimp.
Do you want my coleslaw?
Yeah, I do.
Let me taste it first before I give it away.
Pretty sure you already gave it away.
I'm not a lover of coleslaw.
We'll take a vote. Did she give her coleslaw away?
I thought so.
If it's good, really good, I'll eat it all.
And if it's not,
I'll give it to David.
yeah, give it to Dave. He'll eat anything.
He's like Mikey.
Oh, you don't love it?
It's good.
She doesn't love coleslaw.
But I
so.
know you like it.
Oh, those look great.
On the second one. It might be really good. Rainbow
Oh, is this the
Springs.
one you bought today?
We went to Rainbow
Oh, yeah.
Springs.
Rainbow Springs. Okay, so what did you think of your lunch here?
Well, my lunch at Swampy's, it was good. Everything was hot. It came out pretty quickly. The fries were good. That coleslaw was pretty good.
What about the view?
The view is the best part. Well, the best part is with friends.
What'd you guys think of your food?
Oh, the key lime pie is so good. And the beer is ice cold.
Okay. And I had very good fried shrimp. So we really enjoyed our lunch here at Swampy's in Dunellen, which is near Rainbow Springs.
3, come on.
Give us a thumbs up. It's free to subscribe to our channel. Just click our logo right here. Watch this video next by clicking on it. Catch you on the flip side.